Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make anything glow in Adobe Photoshop. So first off, we want to get a selection tool. For this, I'm going to use my pen tool. So I'm going to press P on my keyboard, or you can just grab it from the tools here on the side. And I'm going to make a selection of the headlight. Right, I'm going to press on make selection. I'll give it a feather of 3 pixels, press OK. And then I'm going to press Command J to duplicate my selection onto a new layer. So I'm going to duplicate it again. I'm then going to select both of these layers, Command G to group them together. I'm going to select my top layer and change the blending mode to something like soft light. Right click and change it to a smart object. Then go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and give it a tiny Gaussian blur. I'm then going to duplicate, double click on the blur effect and add a little bit more. Duplicate again. Double click, add more. Duplicate again. Double click, add more. We then obviously can't make things glow when it's daylight, so we need it to be dark. We can do that really easily by going to just click on your background layer, then go to layer, new adjustment layer, and color lookup. Press OK. You can then click here and choose night from day. And there you go, it's nighttime and you can already see our headlight glowing a little bit. We can now click on our group, go to adjustments, click on hue and saturation, make it a clipping mask by clicking over here, and you can adjust the saturation of it, the lightness, and the color. Pretty cool, huh? Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Also comment what you'd like to see next. Follow me on Instagram, on TikTok, where I post shorter versions of these same tutorials. Be sure to check my website out, where I have some prints available and these really cool hats and some other clothing items. I'll see you tomorrow.